thermostats. Difference is opinions, what they do, from the less expensive ones to the more expensive ones. So this right here is a Honeywell T10, comes with a remote sensor. That's what it looks like. It's a touchscreen. It's very nice. Lots of options on wiring. This is a sensor you can put in a different room. That will help so you can get a more average temperature throughout the house. This one right here is a more basic thermostat. This is a Honeywell T6 Pro non-Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm going to show you the difference between this and the T10. Both look very slick. The T10 looks more like a smartphone, and the T6 is more square, but both have great designs, high tech.